5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, welcome to the beginning of a new era. Dante Doom Productions. I'm your host, Dante Doom. This here's T Rizzle. Over here's Monster. And we plan to bring you the best in entertainment that we possibly can. We're going to do wrestling. We're going to do
video game reviews.
We're going to do
monster reviews.
Paranormal.
Ghost time.
And we're going to bring you history of Morgantown even at times.
Fuck. History of West Virginia.
History of West Virginia.
Oh,
we're
boy.
proud of where we're from, and we're going to keep on bringing it on.
And any other shenanigans and drunk fun times you can have.
Yeah, we're going to have a hell of a time, and we'd like to have you along for the ride as we
Come on and join us.
really just doing this for fun. And I mean,
If you want to see Monster dance like Drake at the end of Hot Lab Lane.
you're going to have to stay tuned to see it. We're not just going to give it to you on the first episode. Come on now.
Alright, you got to tickle a little bit.
Yeah. So, we just would like...
And you can see Monster being a fucking dragon.
yeah, breathing fire. Yeah, hell, he'll swallow fire. But, yeah, so...
I'll be taking a shit so big that the Browns will win the Super Bowl 3 times over.
I mean, one day they are going to win the Super Bowl.
Eventually.
We're going to talk about football and other sports as well.
Yeah, occasionally we're going to throw in random stuff. Maybe
This is
we'll
what we do.
Just so you all will know, I will not be watching the Super Bowl now.
Maybe we'll throw in a take of how awful the Super Bowl is tomorrow.
We're going to start reviewing wrestling tape reviews. And
We have to do our own personal reviews of the Super Bowl halftime show,
I'm not watching
the
that.
national anthem.
I'm not watching that either.
Me either. I'll be at work. I'll be making donuts tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, before this intro goes too long, see, we're just bringing the 3 Irishmen. Let's
We're
come along for the ride.
3 bearded bastards looking to make awesome videos for you. So
You got the
I hope
biggest
you
beard
enjoy
and
it.
I got the biggest mustache.
So all I can say is, Yo Chico, tune in.